The axles and suspension on my WRX have been in need of quite a bit of work. In order to not make anything worse, it has essentially been sitting for over 5 months.
I'm going to take off the CV boots and I'm going to actually see the condition of the CV joints underneath them to see if it's worth it to just replace the boots or the axle entirely.
After getting these cleaned up, they're not looking too bad. Real quick, you find out that that didn't matter at all.
When we were removing the axles, the left side wouldn't come out of the hub at all. My little brother even threw it on a press. He put over 10 tons of force on it, still wouldn't come out. So I ended up getting a used hub off of eBay, as well as some axles. So these are all used. The axles are great though because the boots are in way better condition. So instead of replacing the boots, I'm just going to put these ones in instead.
But before that, I wanted to get some new wheel bearings pressed in.
Let's get pressing. Yummy.
Got the goods.
We brought them back, placed some new seals in them, and began installing them on the WRX. Before going any further, I noticed that the steering rack boots were destroyed, so those needed a refresh. After tightening everything down, I drove down to my uncle's shop, Roy's Auto, where Gavin aligned everything.
Time to do rear toe.
This feels so much better than it did before. I thought I was gonna die when I was driving it. And now it just feels really smooth. The suspension feels great. The turning is awesome. Way better than it was before. Definitely an improvement. I'm so glad that I did it. Now I can't wait for the next thing. Fortunately, because this car is pretty old and beat up, still some things that need work before you start going a little faster, but we're getting real close.